Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome to my craft room today. I was cleaning up a little bit, well, trying to clean up would be more to the point, and I came across some bits and pieces that I put aside for a giveaway, which I think it was last month's my Auntie Vera Scrap and Craft creative team projects that I had in one of my videos that I thought I would give them away because I actually don't have young kids, so I didn't actually need them. So I did have almost a secret giveaway at the end of the video. So and I thought, oh my goodness, I haven't actually done the draw. So I'm going to do the draw now. The prize was the little album that I made with the magical forest papers, and there was some little bits of ephemera there to use, and there was the bag with, I think, let me see, what did I put in there? Oh, there were the cutter parts, there was a card, and there were some paper clips as well. So I did say I would give them away to some people who would like to win it. And the criteria was that you had to, in the comments, just say that you would like me to enter you and mention something about the paper. So what I did is I went through and I had a quick look at all the ladies, I'm assuming they're all ladies, who wanted to enter, and I've wrote down the names here. And now what I'm going to do is just very quickly cut them and fold them and put them in my little cup, which is just this little cup here. It was I've got it from a second-hand store. What I'm actually going to do is put a something to make a pincushion when I get round to it. So we'll just quickly fold those up. Hope everyone's really good. Today we have beautiful weather here in Melbourne. Lovely weather. It's still technically the end of winter, I think. No, maybe not. But the weather is beautiful outside. So that's nice. Makes you feel a little bit better since we're in lockdown. A little bit of bright hope there. Okay, oops, jumping out everywhere. Put them back in. Right. Now, just done a little bit of a shuffle and without looking. Okay, let's have a quick look. Gardenia, Rich. So, I don't know if I have your address. If I do, I'll just send it straight out. If not, I will try to get in touch with you and ask for the address. If, of course, you see the video, please send me your address. My email will be at the bottom of in the description box. So congratulations, and look for your little package in the mail. Just be aware, if you are overseas, it will take some time to get there. Our mail is absolutely ridiculous at the moment. I have several packages waiting in different, I guess they're just distribution places that aren't far away. One of them's only maybe 30 minutes drive away, and it's been there for a week. And it's equally slow mail going out of the country or out of my state in Victoria, because we don't have the flights going out. So I think mail's been shipped interstate to then be shipped out of the country. So it is taking some time. And from what I have heard too, unless you pay the extra money for registered tracking, then it almost sits there and they just don't send it out simply because it's not a priority. So it's pretty bad, but hopefully it will get there eventually. All right, thank you very much for popping by, and I will see you in another video soon. Bye for now.